Welcome to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into an exciting new addition to the world of camping and adventure, the 2025 Tricycle Camper, one of the best American-made campers you'll find. This unique tricycle camper is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible in the world of mobile living and outdoor exploration. Let's talk about what makes the 2025 Tricycle Camper stand out from the crowd. First off, it's an incredibly innovative design, combining the efficiency of a tricycle with the comfort and convenience of a camper. It's lightweight, eco-friendly, and versatile, perfect for anyone looking to explore the great outdoors without the hassle of traditional motorized vehicles. Imagine pedaling through scenic landscapes while having all the comforts of a traditional camper with you at all times. It's like the ultimate road trip experience but with an added twist of adventure. What sets this camper apart is its compact design. Unlike conventional RVs, which can be bulky and difficult to navigate through narrow roads or tight campsites, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is designed to be compact, maneuverable, and easy to store. It fits into parking spaces and is small enough to take on winding mountain roads or even small town streets. The tricycle design means it can be easily towed by a regular bike, offering impressive fuel efficiency while reducing the environmental impact of traditional campers. Inside, the 2025 Tricycle Camper doesn't skimp on comfort. It comes equipped with a cozy sleeping area, a small kitchenette, and even a bathroom, making it an excellent option for those who want to go off-grid without sacrificing comfort. The interior is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials, ensuring a luxurious feel without adding too much weight. Everything is designed to be compact but functional, with ample storage space for your gear and essentials. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Tricycle Camper excels. Thanks to its lightweight construction, it's easy to pedal, even when fully loaded with camping gear. The design also includes smooth, durable wheels that are perfect for a variety of terrains, so whether you're riding on paved roads or more rugged trails, you'll have a smooth and enjoyable ride. Additionally, its built-in solar panels ensure you can stay powered up during your trips, making this camper perfect for off-the-grid living. If you're someone who loves to explore nature but doesn't want to give up the comforts of home, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is a game changer. It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, or even small families looking to take their adventures to the next level. It's a unique blend of modern design and practicality that makes camping more accessible, enjoyable, and sustainable. In conclusion, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is one of the best American-made campers to hit the market in recent years.